Hello guys, welcome to Chia Crochet. Today's video will be very unique. You know what? Today we are using this pearl, and with the thread we are making this beautiful earring. Yes, most of the people crochet this way for many years and never realize that they are actually suffocating their tension and destroying their finished product structure. So I am here. Within 5 minutes we are going to show you a very easy way to make this product. Okay, for this of course we required these pearls, the pearls that you have, right? And now we need the crochet yarn, any color you use it, and of course we need these hooks. I have so many. So we are going to show you very easy way this product. Let's start without wasting time. As I promised you, within 5 minutes we are going to finish this product. Stay with me. First we need to pour these beads or the pearl in the thread. Okay, I have used 2 pearls only. It should be left hand side of use. From the right hand side thread you make 7 chain. First make a knot, okay, and then 1 2 3, so just make 4 5 6 and 7. That's it. Okay, now take the first pearl and just take it inside of it. Now we need to make a slip knot from the first chain. Okay, here put it inside from the first chain and make a slip stitch. See, slip knot, then make 1 chain, go inside of this loop, take this yarn and 1 chain, again 1 chain and go inside of it, take this yarn and just take it out, 1 chain, go from this loop, wrap the yarn and 2 to 1, again 1 chain, go inside of it, take this loop and then take it out, again 1 chain, grow from it, take this out and then 2 to 1. So we just need to make 12. Okay, 1, see, this is the way. Look how beautiful it is. Yes, so now half of the part already covered, so again we are going to make 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 chain and wrap around here. Okay, and I'll show you. Now we are going to make a slip knot from the end point of the chain. Okay, 2 and 2 to 1. Now turn around, again make 1 chain and go from this loop, take this out, 1 chain, go from this loop, take this out, 1, again 1 chain, go from it, take this out. So here 1 pearl already completed. Now again we are going to make 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 chain. So 6 or 7 as per your size of pearl you could make, right? Insert another pearl. Okay, same way we need to attach it at the first loop. Okay, and now close it. Now what, one chain and pour inside of it. This is the way entire part we are going to complete. I hope you understood these things and you could make on your own. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Now half of the part done. Again, you remember what we're going to do. 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 chain, and again attach with the first loop a slip knot. Turn this around, chain, put it inside of this thread, take this out. Look, one chain and go inside of this loop, wrap the yarn, took this out, 2 to 1, one chain, go and then pull it out, make a slip knot, one chain, go from it, take this out. So now at last point make a slip knot from the last loop. Okay, take this out the thread, and now here it is. Take a earring pin and open the hook. Here I think you can see, just insert it first, pull the thread and just attach with the presser. Okay, now cut the thread. Okay, so you can find, oh my god, so beautiful and cute and pretty. If you want, you can make more length of it. Thank you so much for watching. Now I'm going to cut it a little bit extra, put it here with inside of the thread, take this out from it. Okay guys, which one is looking nice, this or this? Please comment. I'm waiting for your comment. It's take too much of time for measuring all the things. Come on, subscribe, support. Thank you so much for watching.